Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the continuous video of the GraphQL series, and today we'll learn how we can use input type in the fetch a get API basically. Okay, in fetch user data. Okay, so I have in user data schema, I have created one input type which has ID, name, email, address. All are optional field basically. I have created. Okay, to fetch the data by using, let's say, ID, name, email, and address. Okay, if the user wants to fetch the data using the ID, then yeah, definitely user can fetch it. Okay, but all are optional. If you want all the data, definitely you can go with all. Again, we'll see how we can validate the input parameter basically. This is already, these all are optional, but sometimes we need to validate both parameters, right? So we'll see that uh, in some time. Okay, now we'll see, we have used this user input in the fetch user data. You see user input, I have passed this into the fetch user info. This all this code we have seen into the last couple of videos, right? So I have used this user input into my CRUD functions, okay, which is my CRUD file. This is user data CRUD file. Okay, inside this, inside this my user input, I have ID, name, email, address. All are optional, right? So before adding to the query directly, I'm just validating it whether it's a ID is present or not. Okay, then I'm just adding into the where clause. Again, name I'm adding into the where clause, email also same, and address also. Okay, whatever the user has passed, accordingly it will add into the where condition, and then it will execute the result. Okay, makes sense, right? Hope you understand, guys. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, whatever the input type, whatever the fields are their input types, I'm just using it in the where clause. Okay, now all are in a list format. That means some multiple values will be there, so I'll just use a dot in. Okay, if you have only one value which is string or maybe integer, you can use a double equals to also. Okay, okay, then we'll see the implementation. The actual, I have, my server is up and running. I'll just close my all this thing. Server is running. Okay, if I rerun it, I'll fetch all the result first. Okay, if you see, these all are my result. I want to fetch a specific result. Okay, let's say specific result, I would say, let's say 2 ID2 result I want to fetch. So ID2, you will get the result of that. Okay, there might be 5. Okay, so fifth result also you can fetch. Now this is based on ID. If you want to fetch by using name, you can have the name MVK, you can fetch that. If you remove this ID, you have only name, right? See, still you can fetch the result. Okay, if you want to fetch based on some email as well, see, you can fetch the email as well based on the filters, right? Similarly, address also you can put, and you can try to play around with this. Yes, okay, so this is how the filters will work. Hope you make sense, guys. Now we'll see the validation part. Okay, let's say I have some certain conditions. Let's say I have multiple values. Okay, bunch of values. Millions of or the lakhs of records I have, right? And in that case, all the, if you fetch all the record, that means it's a uh, it will take more time, right, for the database end. So you are asking front end or the user to fetch anyone. Let's say ID or name. Anyone should be present. Both should not be optional. Okay, both should not be optional, any one field should be present. Okay, so in that case, how you can validate in GraphQL? In the REST approach, there is a pydantic library, and then you can directly have the validator there, right? But in the GraphQL, you have a different approach. You just need to use the post init here. Okay, post init, and you need to validate that basically. If the self is your, the instance method parameter, right? First instance method parameter basically. So if what you want to check, if self.id is none and self.name is none, right? Then res attribute error, something like you must specify either ID or name basically. Okay, let's save this. Okay, and try to rerun our server. Okay, now let's see. I'm not passing anything. Okay, you must specify either ID or name. So this is a validation that is doing at the schema level. If you pass some ID, so it will execute and you will get the result. But if you don't pass anything, you will get some validation error or the error message. Basically, you must specify either ID or name, which is ID and name. Okay, so this is the best way to validate your input parameters. Okay, don't go inside your uh, GraphQL types. Do it at the schema level so that it will directly validate it at the schema level and it will throw an error. Okay, that's how this will validation parts and all this will work. Okay, you can validate multiple things here like email address and all. Okay, it actually depends on the use cases what you want. So yeah, definitely go with this, but go with this schema level validation. This will be helpful. Okay, hope you understand this video, guys. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. It will make me more motivate to add more videos regarding different types basically. I'll continuously adding, I'm actually continuously adding the videos of the data loaders and other stuffs which is useful in GraphQL things. So yeah, please let me know if you do have some questions and all you can just add into the comment sections. Okay. Please do like and subscribe to my channel again. Yeah. Thank you.